everyone. Now welcome back to this channel once again. It's me Binod Shrestha and you are watching the Excellent Education channel. In this channel you will be getting a lots of lectures related to the mathematics. And in today's lectures I'll teach you the explanations, the verifications of theorem number 4 of grade 10. Okay students, here is the statement. Prove that the area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines. Okay students, here is a line AB and another line CD such that AB is a base and AB parallel to CD. Okay students, now let us introduce the triangles and parallelograms in a base AB and between the parallel line AB parallel CD. Here is a blue parallelogram ABEF which stands on line AB and between the parallel line AB parallel CD. You are seeing here. Now let me introduce the triangles. Here is a yellow triangle ABG which stands on the line AB and between the parallel line AB parallel CD. Okay students, you see here a green triangle ABH which also stands on the base AB and between the parallel line AB parallel CD. Likewise, here is a red triangle ABI and a blue triangle ABJ which are also standing on the same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB parallel CD. Now here let's look at students. Here you are seeing the 5 figures in which there is a parallelogram and there are 4 different triangles having different shape and size. Students, and these all are standing on the same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB parallel CD. Okay students, here are 4 triangles ABH, ABG, ABI and ABJ and a parallelogram ABEF are standing on the same base AB and between the same parallel lines AB parallel CD, and we are supposed to prove these all triangles area is half of the area of this parallelogram. Okay students, now let's look at here. We know that the area of parallelogram is always base into height. We also know that area of triangle equals to half base into height. As this 2 is cross multiply, it gives you 2 area of triangle equals to base into height. Okay students, now you look at here. This AB, it is the base of all these figures. Here base AB is same for all these figures. And JM, this JM is the height for all these figures once again. Here height JM is also same for all the figures. As I have already explained in my previous lecture, these lines are parallel, so height is same for all the figures. So from here, what can we say? Area of parallelogram equals to 2 times area of triangle. It means that here you are seeing here in this black, this is black and rising. Here this is base into height. Yeah, in this is black letters. You are seeing here area of parallelogram is base into height, and here in red, now in red you are seeing here 2 area of triangle equals to base into height. As base and height are same, so we can say this area of parallelogram equals to the 2 times the area of triangle. Student, So therefore we can say the area of triangle, this area of triangle equals to half of the area of parallelogram. Okay student, hope you have understood this lecture. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.